Hello everyone, good morning, and I am here, your makeup artist, Christian. And today today we will have a makeup session, and I will teach you how to make up. So this is my kit for makeup. So there's so many tools, makeup tools. So this is like makeup tools, oval brush set. So this is Miniso. This is Miniso. And here we have Romantic Ice Cream Flower Powder Brush. So this is also Miniso. And this one, the makeup application brush. So we have 4 of them in the box. So this is also Miniso. Thank you for the sponsor, Miniso. So we have this cute little thing. This is so makeup tool also. So this is also Miniso. All of these items that you see are all Miniso stuff. Thank you for the sponsors. So yes, I guess we will start. So let's start our makeup session.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So now I'm going to work out with these eyebrows.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So I'm putting the eyeshadow. I'm gonna put the eyeliner. So here, this is the lipstick. So Revlon. So this one, I'm taking this one. So I'm gonna finish it up with blush.
On we'll go.
So I'm done making the session, and my finished product is here.